This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 45 of Building Eleanor. In this issue, we're adding some more to the wheels there, the steering bit, and we're adding some bits to the chassis itself. So first of all, let's get these out of the way, because I'm not doing anything with that quite yet, or that. First of all, we're just adding this piece to that using one of these DS04 screws. One of those out of there. The other safe for potential use in the future. So this goes into that middle bracket there. It'll only go on nicely one way round. It goes in there like that. That will hold that together. Sort of steering piston thing. I assume that's what that other end of that will go into, and that has like support to hold it together and get it lined up properly. So that we can put aside for now. Then, while we've got that, we might as well fit that. So we need one of these PS screws for that. And that is being fitted onto our main chassis that we've been building up. That goes into that bracket there. Then facing that way like that. Just like that. And the single screw goes through this side. Hold that together. Come in there. Be in there. Yep. There we go. That's that ready for that to be attached to. Then we need to add these bits to there. Now it does mark them as different part numbers or part letters, but they appear to be identical. They don't seem to be any differences at all. So basically we've got these to fit with the little notch pieces to there, and same one on the other side. I didn't get the screws out though, so let me, that's going to fall off. So we need one for each of those on there. There's one. There's another two. So we'll put that side over there. One there. Get that back in place. Get that in there. So that one, that side. And the same on the other side. Again, facing sort of inwards. Some sort of bracket frame for the wheels to attach to, or the axle to attach to. And there we have it. That is that. All good and attached, ready for that to go onto there. A bit like that next time. So, thanks for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you for the last part of this month's delivery very soon. Bye bye for now.